Hi, my name is Guo Chengxi, 8 years old, primary 2 from YUMIN Primary School.
I'm Guo Chengxi, 11 years old, primary 5, also from YUMIN Primary School.
Now we'll go on with O-level A-MATH. We will solve these two questions. We'll first solve question 1A. So can you solve it?
Okay, so first for this, question 1, part A, right?
Yes.
For question 1, part A, we have n permutate 2, which is 90, right?
Yes.
And for this, n permutate 2 is actually n times n minus 1, and this is a 90, right?
Yes.
So can we expand this part and put this 90 at this place?
Okay.
So this is actually a n squared minus n minus 90.
Then we use cross multiplication.
So this is actually n plus 9 times.
Write it higher because your words are lower.
Okay, so for
Your
this,
words are dropping,
like this,
that
right?
means...
Like this, right?
Yes, your words are dropping. Okay, now it's...
So like this n can be a negative 9, but because here, this n is like this, right?
Yes.
So we reject the negative 9.
Reject.
So n is...
As there's no negative.
Okay. So is it like this? Is it like this?
Yes.
Okay, so this is for the first part, right?
Yes.
And here it's just 2 of these, right?
Yes. Correct.
Okay, so for the next part, part B.
I will solve it.
Okay, so quickly. So for part B, it is actually n permutate 3. Okay, so right now over here you see that there is 3, right?
Yes.
And what kind of equations do you call this?
Thus we call
Quadratic equation.
quadratic. Yes.
But here we have the cube, right?
Correct.
So this is actually a cubic equation. Do we call it cubic equation?
Okay.
So for this, here, n, can we straight away solve?
No.
Can we know a little bit more about this, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so let's say for example, what do you want?
Like 3, 4, 5. 3 times 4 times 5.
Okay, 3 times 4 times 5, this is 60, right?
Yes.
And for this, because here's the cube, so here you need to know these cubes, right?
Okay. 3 cube is 27, which is... And 4 cube is...
64.
64.
5 cube.
5 cube is 125.
Okay, so here, what did you realize about 60?
60 and 60 are wrong. If you write it the opposite.
Okay, so is it like this?
Yes.
Okay, so next. Can you give another example and let's see, okay?
Okay. 9, 10, 11.
Well, 9 9, 10, 11 can give smaller? Well, can I just give a little bit smaller? Okay, also can. So for this, first is the 8 times 9, which is
8 times 9.
72, right?
Yes. 720. 8 square.
8 cube.
Yes. What is it?
That means you need to use 64 times 8, right?
Yes.
So 64 times 8, this is actually 512.
Okay, and 9 cube.
9 cube, which is actually 81 times 9.
Yes,
This is a 7 to 9.
729. So 10 cube will
The
be
easiest.
1000.
That's only 100. Yes.
And this is over here.
Okay. So like this.
This is bigger because of the middle number. This is the middle number.
Okay, the middle number, the cube of the middle number is actually bigger, right?
Yes.
The bigger one. It is bigger than 8 times 9 times 10. Right?
Correct.
Okay, so like this. What did you notice about these? What did you notice about these? Okay, so for this number, actually, when you times them together, it is at this place, right?
Yes.
What else did you notice? Okay, what if we take because it is a cube, right?
Okay, so cubic root.
Yes, what if we take the cubic root?
Okay.
Okay, so yes, we'll need that. We'll need the calculator. And remember, we need to use the calculator because this calculator, if you don't have the calculator, you only can have
This has a lot of operations.
functions, right?
Yes.
Because without this calculator, usually you only can have the plus, minus, multiplication, division, right?
Yes.
But with this calculator,
You can have the log,
the sine, cosine,
Also can
trigono,
have degrees, radius.
trigono,
Yes. Degrees, radius. All those.
and we also have the
Trigonometry, algebra.
the equations.
Yes.
We also have the integration. We also have
Double-
differentiation.
Yes. Also have all kinds of stuff. Also got complex.
Complex. We also have matrix, right? We
Yes.
also have complex numbers, right?
Yes.
Okay, so we actually have a lot of these, like the ones that you said, logarithm,
Also got.
exponential, right?
Yes. So now can
Okay,
we
so
want
remember
to
we
use
need this calculator, right?
Okay.
Okay,
Let's
so
start.
for this, let's look at this. The cubic root of 60. Okay, so the cubic root of 60, as you can see here, this is 3.9 something, right? Right?
Yes.
Okay, so for this is actually 3.9 something. So when you only look at the 3, you round down, what happens? It is this first number, right?
Yes.
What if you round up? Becomes 4, right? It
Yes.
becomes this middle number. Then if you round up and then round up again, becomes this 5, right?
Okay.
So actually for this, you have 3, 4, 5. And remember, if you want the smallest number, here you need to round down. If you want
So
the
what
middle
happens
number,
if it does?
720, right?
Yes. So it will be 8.9 something, right?
720.
Is it 8.9 something?
Yes, correct. So for this, the 8, if you round down, same, it's the smallest number.
Yes.
Round up, it is just the middle number, right?
Okay.
But what if you
Double.
round up and then you plus the 1? So it is actually the largest number, right?
Yes.
Okay, so right now we have this number, 504, right?
Okay.
So can you tell me what is the cubic root of 504?
The cubic root of 504 is
Come on.
7.9 something something.
Okay, so like this, so
N will equal 7. So,
n is the largest number, right?
yes, so it will be a
9.
9. And N minus 1 will be 8. N minus 2 will be 7.
Okay, yes. So like this, actually you only need to find the n, right?
Yes.
So for this, you found the n, right?
Okay.
So we can check again. Let's try, okay? 7 times 8 times 9. Is it correct? Is it a 504?
Yes.
Okay, so you got 504, right? So this
Okay.
is correct, right?
Yes.
Okay, next we'll move on to part C.
Okay. You may solve it.
Okay, so for part C, we actually have this n choose 2, and this is 36, right?
Yes.
That means n times n minus 1, then you over the 2. This is actually 36, right?
Yes.
Then this n times n minus 1, this is 72, right?
Right.
Okay. So then, for this, you have this n times n minus 1, right?
Okay.
So this, n squared, you minus n, then you minus 72. Because then this can come here, which becomes minus, right?
Okay.
This is the 0. So actually this n, what can it be? Okay,
It
so
can
you
be-
need to use the cross multiplication, right?
Okay.
This is an n plus. Because then there's more negative. And 72 is a 8 times 9, right?
Okay.
So n plus 8 times n minus 9. And this is a 0. So n, what can it be?
What did here?
Okay.
Erase everything.
So for this n, what can it be? So n1 of the answer is negative 8, right?
Reject. No negative.
And then what about the other?
Other? 9.
Yes, it is a 9, right?
9.
Okay, so we've solved it for part C, correct?
Okay, now part D.
Okay, so part D, there's the n choose 3, right?
Okay.
Where is your comma?
Over.
Wait, where is your n minus 2? So this is actually over 3 times 2, right?
So.
6.
Yes.
So this is actually 6 times 10, which is a 60, right?
Yes.
Wait, is that a square? You have cube. So how can you use it? Okay, so right now you need to use the cubic root, right?
Yes.
The cubic root of 60, correct?
Okay.
Okay, so for this, I found it. There's actually 3.9 something.
Okay.
Okay, then after the 3.9 something, you need to find your n, right?
Okay. And it's the biggest. 5.
Yes, correct. This is a 5, right?
Okay.
So what about your soul? Well, actually, you don't need that, right? But you need a soul. Well, actually, you don't need that because that you're finding the n. Or just that you wrote extra here. That's a 3, right? Okay, so actually you write it out. Okay, so for this part, you found D, right?
Yes.
Then next we'll move on to E. Right?
Yes.
So for E, here we have the 2 times NP2. This is actually n times n minus 1, correct?
Yes.
Then you need to plus 50, correct?
Correct.
Then this is actually 2n times 2n minus 1, correct?
Okay.
Okay, so for this, 2n times 2n minus 1. So what you have here? So for this, you can minus times in, right?
Expand.
Like this, correct? So actually you can move this part here, which is a 2n square, and this is
Just erase.
50, right?
Okay.
Then for this you can find n squared, which is 25, and so n is 5, correct?
Yes.
Okay, so for this we found the answer for part E, correct?
Okay, so these are answers for the first question and
Okay, so this is A, B, C,
Come.
D, E.
because some of the answers are over there.
Okay, so these are all the answers, right?
Yes.
Okay.
A is 10, B is 9, C is so B is 7, C is
Wait,
9.
B, you read the answer for N.
Oh, B is 9, C is 9, D is
5.
5, and E is also 5.
Okay, so can we erase all of these?
Okay.
Okay, so next we'll move on to the second question, right?
Okay. So this is like
Okay, so for this second question, it says a class contains
something like this 12.
12 students.
So you need to choose 3 out.
Find the number of
And
ordered
they are
samples
different.
of size 3.
That means from 12 students, and when it's
You need to have an order here, remember?
yes, so that means their stuffs are all different. So, if got replacement, that means like the first round.
First person can come to the second person.
No, not the first person come to the second person. First person can come after it come to the first race. Also can come to the second race. Also can come to the third race.
Actually, we call it rounds, right?
Yes, and without replacement, that means when this guy does this stuff, cannot be in charge of that stuff.
Okay, so what you
So
mean?
must be only one stuff.
So what you mean is actually, like, for the first time, a person is chosen, right?
Yes,
Then the second time, in the first case, it can be chosen again, right?
yes,
But in the second case, it cannot be chosen, and so
Anymore.
as to the third round, right?
yes.
Okay, so for all of these, the second question, we'll start first with A.
Okay, so the second question is, this actually is just 12 cube because it's 3 things, so cube is a 12 because there's 12 students.
Because that for the first time, you actually have 12 choices. Then the second time, you still have 12 choices because that you can choose them again, right?
Yes, and the third time you also have 12 choices.
Yes.
So 1, 12, 2, 12, 3, 12 still.
Okay, so that means it is the 12 cube, right?
So why 12 cube?
Well, for this, we can use okay, so you want 12 cube, right? It is 1728.
Okay, I just
Okay, so for this is a
so
1728,
this
right?
is the answer.
Okay, 1728 choices, correct?
Yes.
Okay, then next is for the B, correct?
Yes.
Okay, so this B is without replacement. And remember, without replacement, this can be 12, permutate. How many you have? 3. You need 3, right?
Yes.
So actually this is a 12 times 11 times 10, correct?
Okay.
So 12 times 11, what is it?
12 times 11 is 1, 3, 2.
Okay, so this is a 1, 3, 2. Then because of the 10, you need another 0, right?
Yes.
So here you get your answer.
Okay.
And also, for this, because that for the first time you have all your students, which is 12 choices, right?
Okay.
Then the second time, one is chosen, so you cannot choose that again, right? Right?
Okay.
So that means this is 11. Then for the third time, which is the last time, there's already 2 students chosen, so you cannot choose them again. So it's actually 10, right?
Okay.
Okay, so I can understand for this.
Okay. And remember, this question does not mean 12 divided by 3. This is not like that. If 12 permutate 3.
Commutate.
Yes.
Okay, so for these 2 questions, this is for the last question, both parts, right?
Yes.
Okay, so everybody just take this look, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so can we stop?
Okay.
Okay, so for the next time, we'll continue with this, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Bye.